What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. It is the day Mom comes home. We're super excited to have her back, but first we had to do a pool day because it's the first time we don't, well, okay, we do have thunderstorms rolling in, but we're gonna get as much swimming in as we can before we get kicked out of the pool. There's Abby jumped right in the pool. She's ready to go. Little girl was trying to make friends with her. She kept saying hi to her. I had to tell her that she doesn't know how to talk. That happens a lot. Tears, but it gives me an opportunity to explain autism and her being nonverbal and stuff like that. So, but Abby did wave to her, so it was super cute. So we've got like 3 hours before Mom gets home. So we're gonna swim for maybe an hour, and then 2 hours to get the house cleaned up. I don't know if we can pull that off. We're gonna try though. Abby, you gonna help? Last time I had your brother to help me. Are you helping? I don't think she's gonna help. She's pretty chill today. It's a super chill day.
That's how you do it now.
Is it super hot? Yeah. It's bright out, huh? Pretty cool though. The little girl that was talking to Abby, she asked if I was a vlogger and if she could subscribe to our channel. So we're at 99,931, so she'll be 99,932. Yes, dear. What's up? You have to go to the bathroom? You do? We just went to the bathroom. Okay. This is nice, huh? Nice and relaxing. Just heard thunder in the distance, Abby. It's not gonna be long. They're gonna kick us out of the pool. It's like we got storm clouds over there. Maybe storm clouds over there. We're surrounded. Okay, well, she says she's done. You're done, right? Yeah? Okay, she's done, which is convenient because there's more thunder getting closer. So, time to go. Okay, the house looks terrible. I mean, it's not terrible. It's pretty terrible. Yeah, it's terrible. We got, you know, camera stuff and dishes, and the living room's a disaster, and the upstairs is not any better. I got boxes from doing P.O. box hauls and stuff, so I'm gonna get, man, you know, I really messed myself up. So I set the bar really, really high last year because I had Isaiah here, and we clean, like we clean. It's not gonna be that clean, I have fear, because it's just me by myself, and I gotta, you know, manage your needs. Are you gonna help me? Are you gonna help me clean? That was a no, in case you missed that. I've got a couple hours. I'm gonna make this happen. Okay, well, it's better. It's better, huh? Hi you. Let's go get Mom. Let's go. We're here. Are you excited? You excited?
Hi.
Hi. Oh, I missed you so much.
I missed you too.
Mwah. I missed you a lot. Not just because I was single parenting, because I missed you. I think your girl missed you.
Aw, oh boy.
She's been throwing stuff out of the car. Are you being bad?
Hi.
Look who it is. Say hi to Mom.
Hi.
Give Mom a hug.
Can I have a hug? Hi. Give me a hug. How are you? You smell funny.
Smells funny.
Yeah.
It's
Why
like,
are you throwing things out of the car?
like you smell funny. She smells normal.
Hi. Did you miss me? Hi. Come, wait, we're not staying here. We're going somewhere else.
We're gonna go get some food. You wanna eat? Are you exhausted?
I'm exhausted.
That's cause you danced so much?
I'm like trying to drop it like it's hot. It's not hot. I hurt so bad.
Can I show that video right now?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's not the video where you were dropping like it was hot?
No, there's no video of that.
Oh, so you partied a little after the party, huh?
I did. I am so sore. I was so out of shape. But when you have a few cocktails, you don't feel like this.
Right. Turn into Superwoman.
Yeah. Oh,
let's go home.
I need a bed.
Are you so happy to see your mom? I am. We missed her, huh? Okay, we just finished up our 100,000 subscriber video. So if you haven't seen that, go back a video and check that out. That's super exciting.
My hair's tired.
Actually, go back 2 videos and check that out. This is so confusing. You tired?
I'm exhausted.
Priscilla's exhausted. We're gonna end the vlog here, guys. Thanks so much for hanging out with us. I'm super happy to have my BFF back. I missed you a lot. She missed you. Did you miss your mama?
Did you miss me?
Hey, did you miss mom? Yeah. Okay. Good answer. You never know. You never know. What's up? What do you need? You need candy?
Girl.
Yeah.
You always need something.
I know. She's like, but we got some in the mail yesterday.
Oh.
Okay. All right, guys. We will see you tomorrow. Thanks for hanging out with us. 100,000.
Oh my gosh. 100,000.
100,000.
As I say, it says now we're legit.
Now we're legit, yeah. He was happy he can tell his friends we're legit YouTubers now. All right. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.